My name is Renaldo McKenzie. My artist alias is Shaw. I am a reggae artist. I reside in the States and now in the city of Philadelphia. Originally from Trinidad, where I was born. I moved to Philadelphia from New York City. Um, Music, Caribbean music. My take is a little bit different. Um, First let me just say kind of music I do. I do dancehall. I do a lot of fusion music as far as like trap dancehall or what we consider R&B dancehall. Um, I love. I'm a lover of music. However, my take on music is not the same. I do not believe that that music originate like people would say music originated from Africa, and it was the sound of the drum and the heartbeat is what originated music. I'm from Trinidad. I also play folklore drums, so I have a lot of history when it comes to origin, especially when it comes to like rhythms and stuff like that. But most of my belief, which I don't want to spend too much on, is on my personal belief. Um, I am a Hebrew Israelite, yes, I am. And I believe that music didn't come from Africa. Music came from God. All right, that's the first thing I want to say about music. That music came from God. When you read the scriptures, it tell you that there were angels playing harps. Even when people talk, they'd be like, "Oh my God, you sing like an angel." Those terms didn't just come about. There's scriptures in the book of Chronicles, First Chronicles, the 5th chapter, where it talks about the priests and King David arranging the choir, and they were called the Holy Choir, and they were singing, and the singing was so beautiful that God Himself came down from the heavens to witness this melodious act. So my look on music is